Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see the drawing of lion and see some facts about lion. Yeah, let's go. Number 1. Lion is a wild mammal. Number 2. Baby lion is called a cub, lioness or whelp. Number 3. Lion cubs are reared together. Number 4. Lions can get their water from plants. Number 5. Lions are big eater. Number 6. They hunt during storms. Number 7. Lions belongs to a cat family and they are the only cats who roar together. Number 8. Lions usually live in group of 10 or 15 animals called prides. Number 9. An adult male lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Number 10. Lion is called the king of the jungle. Number 11. Lions run at a speed of up to 81 km per hour. Number 12. Lions hunt large animals such as zebra and wildebeest. Number 13. Female lion needs 5 kg of meat a day and a male need 7 kg or more a day. Number 14. Lions can weigh up to 250 kilograms. Number 15. Lions are born spotty and later as they mature, these spots eventually begin to fade. Number 16. Only 23,000 lions are left in the wild. Number 17. Lions can live up to 20 years. Number 18. Lions sleep up to 21 hours a day. Number 19. Lionesses can give birth up to 6 cubs. Number 20. Africa has the highest number of wild lions worldwide, roughly 14,500. Do subscribe for more drawings with some informations.